Welcome to the Persian Horizon podcast, where we explore the vibrant world of business, innovation, and global expansion. I'm your host, Moeen, and today we're diving into a topic close to my heart, the startup funding journey in Dubai. Specifically, we're going from concept to capital, mapping out the path many entrepreneurs take and offering insights for investors looking for the next big thing. Now, I was talking to a founder just last week, incredibly talented guy with a groundbreaking idea in the fintech space. He had the passion, the drive, even a working prototype, but he was completely lost when it came to navigating the funding landscape here. He was asking, where do I even start? And that's a question I hear a lot. Dubai, with its strategic location, supportive government initiatives, and thriving ecosystem, is a magnet for startups. But securing funding, whether bootstrapping, seeking angel investors, or aiming for venture capital, requires a clear understanding of the process. So let's unpack the typical funding lifecycle for startups in Dubai. Think of it as a journey with distinct stages, each with its own set of challenges and opportunities. First up is the pre-seed stage. This is where your idea takes its first breath. You're validating your concept, building your MVP, minimum viable product, and getting that initial traction. Funding at this stage often comes from personal savings, friends and family, or even small grants. It's about proving your concept and demonstrating its potential. A critical aspect here is meticulous market research. Dubai's market is dynamic and diverse, so understanding your target audience, their needs, and the competitive landscape is paramount. Next comes the seed stage. Here's where things get a little more serious. You validated your idea, you have some early adopters, and now you need the fuel to scale. This is where angel investors and early-stage VCs come into play. They are looking for promising startups with strong teams and scalable business models. A compelling pitch deck is your best friend at this stage. Clearly articulate your value proposition, your market strategy, and your financial projections. And remember, investors are not just investing in your idea, they're investing in you. Your passion, your vision, and your commitment are key factors in securing that seed funding. Then, we move to Series A funding. Congratulations, you've achieved significant milestones. You have a growing customer base, a solid revenue stream, and are ready to expand your operations. Series A funding is typically larger than seed funding and is used to further growth, hire key personnel, and expand into new markets. At this stage, due diligence is intense. Investors will scrutinize your financials, your team's capabilities, and your market position. Be prepared to answer tough questions and demonstrate a clear path to profitability. Beyond Series A, you have Series B, C, and beyond. These later-stage funding rounds are focused on aggressive scaling, international expansion, and potential acquisitions. The stakes are higher, the due diligence is even more rigorous, and the competition is fierce. Now, here are a few actionable observations for those looking to navigate this landscape. 1. Network relentlessly. Dubai's business ecosystem thrives on connections. Attend industry events, join startup communities, and connect with potential investors. Building relationships is crucial. 2. Leverage government initiatives. Dubai offers a plethora of programs and incentives designed to support startups. Explore resources like the Dubai Future Accelerators, the Dubai International Financial Fee FinTech Hive, and Area 2170. 3. Understand the regulatory environment. Navigating the legal and regulatory frameworks is essential for any business operating in Dubai. Seek expert advice to ensure compliance. 4. Build a strong team. Investors invest in people as much as they invest in ideas. Assemble a talented and dedicated team with complementary skills. 5. Focus on scalability. Dubai is a global hub, so think big. Demonstrate your ability to scale your business not just within the UAE, but across the region and beyond. So, to reflect on all this, navigating the startup funding journey in Dubai requires a strategic approach, a deep understanding of the market, and a relentless pursuit of your vision. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding experience, and with the right preparation, you can increase your chances of success. I hope this overview has shed some light on the funding landscape in Dubai. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a game-changing idea or an investor looking for the next unicorn, Dubai offers a unique and dynamic environment for growth and innovation. Remember, building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay persistent, and never stop believing in your vision. And who knows, maybe one day I'll be interviewing you on this podcast about your incredible success story. Thanks for listening, and until next time, keep innovating.